Hello, this is Dave from ERC, and I just got this package in the mail. Now this is the Mavic Mini Flymore combo. It was stuck in Alaska for a little bit, maybe about 4 days, while they were doing some type of customs issue, and they had to get clearance before they could ship it. But it finally made it over here to Virginia, and here it is now, and I just want to open the box and take a look and see what's in it just quickly. And then later on, I'm going to do some more detailed videos on this particular product. But let's go ahead and open it up. I'm just going to do this live, all one take. Now, I ordered this SanDisk card, and this is a 160 megabyte. Is that what it is? Megabytes per second. And yeah, 160 megabytes per second, 120 gig card. So I got that in addition to the Flymore package. All right, what else is in here? It looks like just the box. So there it is right there, the Mavic Mini, as seen on TV, and now seen on YouTube. I know a lot of videos are out there right now. Video reviews have been coming out on YouTube like mad, and you've probably seen some of them. I haven't seen too many box openings. I guess people don't want to bore you with box openings, but I'm just going to go ahead and do one anyway. Even if nobody likes it, at least I'll have a record of it. All right, we're opening it up. Next thing is there's a little tab right here. One of those little plastic round circles. All right, that looks like about it. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Now inside here you can see the case, and the Mavic Mini, I'm sure, is all in there except for the prop guards, and that comes in a separate package right here. So those are the prop guards, and this is the case. Let's see, also in here, I don't know if you can see that down the bottom, right there. There is this thing. And now I've never opened it. That's why I'm saying this thing, because I don't know what it is. But it looks to me like that's a small box. It's very light. Another box is very light. And I know it comes with extra props and probably a charger. And then I got 2 batteries as well, and they might be in that one. It actually has a symbol there that looks like a battery. So I see, and then there's just some of that silicone gel. We'll open up this. And that's what it looks like inside. You can see how it's packaged. The Mavic Mini itself has some little tabs here that have to be removed to release the cover over the gimbal. And then there's a little tab on the back to release to open the door. Okay, this is the charger you get with the Flymore that you don't get with a regular one, that you can charge 3 batteries at once. I'll get into that later. And let's see what else. I thought there was 3 props. It's not. It's looks like 2 USB cables. And then the cable that goes from the controller to the phone. I've got 3 there. And that's because it's the Flymore package. I don't think you get 3 otherwise. This is the Flymore package, not the regular one. And then this is the controller. And so there it is. The controller right there. If it was me watching, I'd probably want the demo of it opening up and the antennas, right? So here are the antennas. There you go. And of course the little stick things aren't on there yet because you have to take them out and screw them on. They're right underneath here, clipped right underneath there. So that's that. And then there's one more little box in here. And that is, what could it be? More props. Yep, some props and some screws. Now the rest of this was outside the carrying case. Let's take this out. So these are the 3 batteries that come with a Fly More. So you get 3 batteries instead of just 1. And there's one of the little lithium-ion batteries right there. And I'll do more detail on this. I'm just showing you basically what you can expect in the box. So that was outside the carrying case. Here's another one that was outside the carrying case. See if I can get that open without tearing it up. Okay, that's the little wall plug, USB charger. And I think you get this with a regular edition too. But you also get it with a Fly More. So you have 2 ways you can charge it with a Fly More, with this and that. So 2 ways. And then one more item. What could this be? Okay, this is just a package with the instructions in it, right there. So you've probably seen some people had a sticker that went on theirs. I do not get that. That's an accessory, and I didn't get that accessory. It doesn't come with that in the Fly More. So if you wanted stuff like the stickers or that little charging container that you can put it in, that's an accessory. I didn't even open up the prop guard thing because I figured you wouldn't be interested in that, but I'll just do it quick. There it is. And we'll take a look at that later, but you can see those prop guards are quite large. That'll make the footprint of the quad quite a bit larger. There they are. So that's everything that was in there. So thanks for watching, and everybody that ordered theirs and haven't got it, I hope you get it soon. I wish you the best of luck. I know they're flying around all over the world right now trying to get delivered, and I hope everybody gets theirs soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.